Ever feel like finding creative ideas for your next marketing campaign takes too long? Imagine having a tool that helps you collect, organize, and manage all your inspiration in one place. Whether you're a designer, marketer, or creative director, it's time to streamline your workflow. Ready to save time and spark inspiration like never before? Let's dive in. Let me introduce you to Foreplay. It's an inspiration curation platform that allows you to collect, save, and share creative assets from across the web. The best part? You can do all this in a visually appealing and collaborative workspace. You can say goodbye to scattered screenshots and endless bookmarks. Foreplay makes it simple to stay inspired and get your team aligned quickly and efficiently. Foreplay is like Pinterest, but designed specifically for professionals who need to create actionable inspiration boards for projects. Before we get into the details, make sure to check the link in the description below for a special deal on Foreplay, just for our viewers. Signing up for an account on Foreplay is quick and easy. First, go to foreplay.com and click the Start Free Trial button in the top right corner. Enter your email and create a strong password for security. After filling out the form, and click the Sign Up to finish registering. To enhance your experience, I recommend installing the Foreplay Chrome extension. This lets you save and organize creative inspirations directly from your browser. Just head to the Chrome Web Store and click Add to Chrome. Once added, you'll access your saved assets and streamline your creative workflow even more efficiently. Once you've completed your account setup, it's time to dive into one of Foreplay's most powerful features, the Discovery section, located on the left-hand side of your dashboard. This is your go-to hub for exploring a wealth of creative inspiration, showcasing the latest advertising trends and innovative content from real campaigns across a wide array of brands. In the Discovery section, you can easily save ads and creative content from various sources, allowing you to curate your own collection of inspiration. Whether you're looking for high-performing ads, landing pages, or email campaigns, this feature has you covered. You can browse through a diverse library that offers insights into what works and what doesn't, helping you learn from successful campaigns. Now, let's take a look at how you can make the most of the tools available in the Discovery section. First, you have the search bar, where you can look up specific ad themes. For example, if you're working on a project related to food, just type the keyword food into the search bar, and you'll instantly see a collection of food-related ads for you to explore. This makes it easy to find the exact inspiration you need. You can enhance your search by adding filters to narrow down your results. Foreplay also lets you filter ads by date, allowing you to view the latest campaigns or even the longest-running ones. This is especially helpful when you want to stay on top of current trends or find evergreen content that's proven effective. Another useful feature is the ability to filter by category. You can choose to search within Community to find fresh, creative inspiration from other users, or select Brands to keep an eye on your competitors' campaigns. There's even an Experts filter if you're looking to gain insights from industry leaders. The Discovery section is truly a treasure trove for anyone seeking inspiration. Now let's move on to another fantastic feature, the swipe file. You can find it conveniently located on the left side of your dashboard. The swipe file serves as your personal library for saving and organizing creative content that inspires you. Think of it as your digital scrapbook where you can collect ideas, ads, and examples that resonate with your vision. Using the swipe file is simple. As you can see when you open the swipe file section, all the ads you've saved are right there, neatly organized. If you want to add a new ad, simply click the Create New button in the top right corner, then select Save New Ad. Foreplay supports ad saving from multiple platforms like Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube. In this video, I'll guide you through saving ads from TikTok. First, choose TikTok Creative Center as your source, and you'll be redirected to the TikTok Creative Center main page. From there, you can search for ads that match your creative ideas or analysis needs. To streamline your search, make full use of the filters. For example, I'll set the region to South Korea, the industry to beauty and personal care, While skipping the objective and ad format, I'll choose a time frame of 180 days, set the ad language to South Korean, and select likes between 1 to 20%. Once you've found an ad that meets your criteria, you'll be able to see key metrics like the number of likes, CTR, and budget. To dive deeper into an ad, click See Analytics, where you'll find detailed information such as ad performance, interactive time analysis, and more. Valuable insights for analyzing and running your own campaigns. If you find an ad that piques your interest, just click the Save to Foreplay button below the video, and it will instantly be added to your swipe file. What sets the swipe file apart is its ability to organize and categorize your saved creative content efficiently. Foreplay allows you to group ads by themes, campaigns, or brands, so you can quickly locate them when needed. This system of organization is a huge time saver during creative brainstorming sessions, helping you easily reference past inspiration. Plus, Foreplay's advanced ad management tools let you sort ads into specific folders, streamlining your workflow. Whether you're looking to revisit a successful campaign or gather ideas for your next project, everything is right where you need it. Next, let's move to one of the most powerful features on Foreplay: briefs. This tool is designed to help you create detailed, structured ad briefs that streamline the creative process, ensuring clarity and efficiency for your team. Here's how to make the most of it. First, at the top, you'll find the Brand Guidelines section. This is where you define the foundation of your ad. You can set your brand's primary colors by using hex codes, and also link to external brand guidelines and font files. This ensures that every element of the creative aligns with your brand identity from the start. Below, you have the Inspiration section. Here you can upload or select images that reflect the style or mood you want for your ad. Think of this as a visual guide for your creative team. Whether it's a product shot or a lifestyle image, this inspiration will act as a reference throughout the process. Now, move to the modular details. This is where you'll map out the content of your ad in a structured way. The first thing you'll want to add is a description. Here, you'll define the purpose of your ad and outline key points that your creative should convey. Be specific. Mention target audience, tone, and call to action. The more detail you provide, the clearer the direction will be. Once the description is in place, it's time to choose the format for your ad. This could be a video, a still image, a carousel, or even a GIF. The format should align with your marketing goals and the platforms where the ad will run. For instance, a video might be best for a storytelling approach, while a carousel can showcase multiple products. Next, consider the size and aspect ratios. Each platform has different requirements for ad dimensions, so this step is crucial. For example, a 16:9 ratio is perfect for YouTube, while 9:16 is ideal for vertical formats, like Instagram Stories or TikTok. Select the one that fits your campaign strategy and platform. After that, move to the content style. This allows you to choose how the content should look. Whether you want something user-generated UGC, a lifestyle vibe, or a more commercial studio-polished feel, you can specify this here. Again, think about your audience and brand image when selecting the right style. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful features in this section, the AI storyboard generator. With this tool, you can lay out your entire ad, scene by scene, before production even starts. You'll create a storyboard by adding scene titles, writing copy for each section, and detailing the actions that should take place. This ensures that your entire creative team is aligned, reducing confusion and revisions during production. The storyboard also includes an option to add a reference image to each scene. This is especially helpful for visual alignment, making sure that the final output matches your vision. Finally, don't forget to review everything before wrapping up. From your brand guidelines to the storyboard, ensure every detail is in place. This will help your team deliver a final product that meets both creative and strategic goals. Finally, I'd like to introduce Spyder, one of the most impressive features of Foreplay. This tool is a game changer, allowing you to track and analyze competitors' ads to gain valuable insights that can boost your own campaigns. To get started with Spyder, you'll first need to choose a channel for analysis. Foreplay offers two options. You can either search an existing Spyder brand or manually add a new brand from the Facebook ad library. I'll go with the first option and click on Search for Brand. From there, simply type in the name of the competitor's brand you want to analyze and select it. Foreplay will automatically gather and analyze data from the competitor's ads, providing you with invaluable results. Once the analysis is complete, Spyder will display essential details like the brand name, the last time it was checked, the date when data collection started, the total number of ads associated with the brand, and the types of ads they're running. This overview gives you a quick snapshot of the brand's advertising activity. However, to unlock deeper insights, simply click on the brand name, and you'll be taken to a comprehensive analysis section. Now, let's explore Spyder's ad library. Here you'll find a wealth of data, including detailed analytics on active ads, breaking them down by media mix, whether they're using videos, images, or carousels. You'll also see the landing pages these ads are linking to, offering a clear view of how competitors are driving traffic and converting customers. In addition, Spyder identifies the top-performing hooks, which are the elements of the ads that capture attention. Moving on, the Creative Tests section provides a unique feature where you can analyze ads launched together on the same day. This grouping of ads allows you to spot patterns and compare different creative approaches that were tested simultaneously. The next section focuses on landing pages, one of the most critical aspects of any ad campaign. This section lets you dive into the actual pages competitors use to convert traffic, providing a detailed look at their layout, messaging, and call to actions. Next, the hooks section shows the main messaging components that competitors are using in their ads. Spyder analyzes what parts of the ad draw the audience's attention, from headlines to the first few seconds of a video. Finally, you have the timeline, which helps you track the evolution of your competitors' ad strategies over time, showing you how their creatives and targeting approaches have changed. This is an excellent way to stay updated with market trends and anticipate shifts in consumer behavior. Overall, Spyder is a must-have tool in Foreplay. It doesn't just give you data. It provides actionable insights that can help you create winning strategies and stay ahead of the competition. Before we wrap up, I'd like to share some helpful tips to enhance your experience with Foreplay. First, consider creating collaborative boards. This feature allows you to invite your team to contribute ideas and feedback in real time. Collaborating in this way can lead to more innovative solutions and ensures everyone is on the same page. Next, don't forget to tag everything. Proper tagging is crucial when deadlines are tight. It makes it easy to locate exactly what you're looking for, saving you valuable time during the creative process. By implementing these tips, you'll streamline your workflow and make the most of what Foreplay has to offer. Are you ready to elevate your creative projects while saving time and money? Click the link below to discover our special offer. With Foreplay's pricing plans, you can save hours of work for just a few bucks. Opt for the yearly subscription and unlock incredible value, giving you even more reasons to dive in. Let's break it down. For $44 per month on the Inspiration plan, you get access to features like Discovery, Swipe File Saving, and more. But if you subscribe annually, you save $60. The same goes for the full Workflow plan, which is $89 per month, packed with unlimited access to all the tools you need, including AI script writing, client profiles, and more. But with the yearly option, you get to keep $120 in your pocket. Plus, both plans allow you to share unlimited ads and collaborate seamlessly. Why pay more when you can save by going yearly? Don't miss out on these fantastic savings. That's it for today. Foreplay is the ultimate tool to help you streamline your creative workflow and keep your inspiration organized. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. And remember, if you're ready to try Foreplay, click the link in the description for a special offer. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!